dudes and dudettes, here we are again. Now we finally got our coils to see if that's going to solve the problem. So stick around, watch us try to replace the coils, connect them, and let's see what happens when we give it a shot.
We've been drinking.
They've been drinking again. I don't know if this is a drinking vlog or a repair vlog.
No, we go to
I'm
parties.
really I know, but I never get to go with you guys.
We'll ask the manager then.
You don't drink?
I drink.
Oh.
I'm just not allowed out from the wife.
We don't have
That's
a wife.
not really true, but yeah, okay. So,
anyway, we've been drinking.
Here are the coils.
Those are the second-hand coils, but
Second-hand coils.
Ours look nicer though.
Yeah, much nicer, but they came off a working bike, so.
Anyway, it should go like this, and that's the. Just for my own reference. This is the front. How the fuck does that fit? Oh, it must go like that. Yeah, definitely. I don't know. That's the real.
So Mr. B is a little confused on how they work.
I'm confused because I've been drinking.
Oh, that's the...
That's the reason.
What are you talking about? You're sober.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah, you guys only had 2 beer.
Yeah,
We had two like.
You only had 2 beer.
we stopped counting at 2.
This was more like a 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus
God,
and food.
oh, we had some food as well.
You guys.
We multiplied to 2.
Well, at least you ate.
Yeah.
We had to fall over.
We went on the motorcycle just to keep it kind of civilized.
Job well done.
It actually worked.
What? Eating?
Yeah, now keeping it civilized.
Oh, okay. That doesn't happen a lot.
That was a waitress. I just hit my ass.
Oh, he just sat down
Sit down on this thing.
on that thing.
Oh.
What you?
Ouch. It's a terrible bike to work on. It's a terrible bike to work on. Never buy Yamaha, just buy Harley Davidson.
Hey, but I just checked out on
What?
YouTube, and I told Mr. B that already, that they have that rattling noise that the starter gear is making. That's a pretty easy fix. All you need is a gasket. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna ask him if he wants to spend a little bit more money. We'll take this off, and the gear's in there. I'm gonna take out the gear. I'm gonna flip the gear and put it back, and then it should stop rattling a bit. Let's hope that works.
Guys,
Yeah.
I have the RBM beer tower.
Oh, there we go.
Awesome.
It's something like an Eiffel Tower, but different.
Beer. Whoa, that's heavy, man.
That's heavy equipment.
Here, let me help you. Because I'm completely useless now.
Mr. M,
Yes.
where were you guys?
We're at a private bar
Where we always
for
go.
special people. Spend money. Again.
Spent money?
Yeah.
On booze.
Yes, not women. Booze. Women give headaches.
Well, so does booze if you drink enough of it.
Yeah, but that's explainable. And we got 2 bougies.
Bougies?
No,
Bougies.
spark
Spark
plugs.
plugs. Spark plugs.
Really?
Yeah.
Bougies?
The bougies.
Why do you call them bougie? Where the hell did you get bougies
I
from?
don't know. It's a Dutch word and do it
It's
in
French.
English.
It's French, actually.
Oh shit. Fuck me sideways.
Call me Charlie.
What do we spend on the bike so far?
59 euros and oil.
And the rubber intake manifolds.
Yeah, it was like €8 from.
They were only $8 or €8, yeah.
So around
So
that
about $10
70 and then
US.
so it's 70 plus oil.
It's about 3.5, 4 liters of oil, I would imagine, at almost €10 a pop. So that's another 40,
Is 110.
roughly.
Yeah, unit.
If this doesn't work, then we check the CDI.
Yeah, and then we look out the ignition, but the ignition is plug and play, so you can't really adjust it to your liking.
Okay.
Just for your information, folks, I work on medical equipment.
That can't be good.
Just to let you know. Sakes, why make it so complicated?